Glad to meet you all with this new session. Today I am with the creative writing drama script, and this is for the lesson My Childhood, that is from Unit 7 Part A from the English textbook of 10th Standard SSC Board Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. On to the pattern to follow. Write the characters involved in the skit. Write how many scenes are there in the skit. Write the stage setting wherein you create the ambience for the scene. And if any incidents or actions occur during the play, write them in brackets. Use appropriate linkers. Give the conclusion. Whatever conclusion we want to give for the entire skit, we need to put it in the form of a dialogue of any one of the characters. On to the question. In the lesson My Childhood, Kalam was invited by his teacher Sivasubramaniam Iyer to his home for a meal. Iyer's wife was horrified at the idea of a Muslim boy being invited. Later, she realized her mistake. Write a play script for the situation. Write the suitable title, characters, location, scenes and stage directions. On to the play. This is a 2-act play and the theme is abolishing superstitious beliefs regarding religious taboos. So this is about abolishing superstitious beliefs. The characters here are Sivasubramania Iyer, Abdul Kalam, Iyer's wife. So here in the entire skit I have mentioned Sivasubramania Iyer as Sir. Scene 1. So we know that Sivasubramania Iyer has invited Abdul Kalam for the meal. Let's see what happens. The location is Iyer's house. The stage setting, I created a stage setting to show how the kitchen scene is. That is what I have tried to bring because it's meal time, right? A mat, a few utensils, a pot of water. Abdul Kalam. Good morning, sir. Sir. Welcome, Abdul. Come, let's have meals. Abdul Kalam. Yes, sir. Sir. Hey, dear. Please serve food for both of us. Iyer's wife. I just don't understand how you can allow anyone and everyone to enter our ritually pure kitchen. So here we see Iyer's wife is a rigid orthodox Brahmin and she is not willing to serve Abdul Kalam because she is preoccupied with all the religious taboos, all the ideas, all the things that are beliefs regarding this religious discrimination. So she is not willing to serve food for Abdul Kalam. Then, sir, it's okay, my dear. I'll serve my student. Don't worry. Come, Abdul, be seated. So we know Sivasubramania Iyer is a rebel of a person. He wants to abolish all these inequalities in the society. So he takes the initiative himself and he serves food to Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam hesitates. Abdul Kalam feels guilty that he is creating some confusion in the family. He is creating a bit of conflict. So he hesitates. Abdul, sir. Then, sir, don't be disturbed, my boy. Once you decide to change the system, these problems have to be confronted. Abdul Kalam, I understand, sir. So Abdul Kalam sits. Sir serves the food. Sir, I hope you enjoyed the meal. Visit us next weekend too. Abdul Kalam, but sir, he hesitates because he feels this time itself is not a right thing for me to come. Why should I come the next time? Why should I bring confusion or quarrel in sir's house? Sir, I'm sure you will come. The sir insists that Abdul Kalam must come. Let's see what happens. Scene 2. Location, Iyer's house. Stage setting, utensils, mat and a pot of water wherein we create the kitchen scene. Abdul Kalam. Good morning, sir. Sir. So this is the next weekend. Sir. Welcome, Abdul. Be seated. Ayer's wife. Welcome, Abdul. I'll serve you with my own hands. Now we see that in the textbook we are given, the Ayer's wife observes the way Abdul has his meal, how he cleans the meal, how he is very much well mannered, and she regrets for having all those preoccupied ideas, for believing in all the unnecessary taboos regarding the people, and now she feels that it is right for her to serve Abdul Kalam because he too is as equal a human as she or her husband is. So she comes out of the religious discrimination. Now she welcomes Abdul Kalam. Ayer's wife serves meal to Abdul Kalam. Abdul Kalam, thank you, ma'am. The food is delicious. Ayer's wife, thank you, Abdul. Sir, nice to see you like this, dear. Now, the sir is extremely happy because he could see the transformation in the attitude of his wife's thinking. Ayer's wife, I have realized how incorrect it is to think that one human is lesser than the other. Ayer's wife, have some more, Abdul. Then Abdul, sure, ma'am. Then sir, finally, the mission is accomplished. I am really happy now. So he wanted to create that equality, and that mission is accomplished. So he's really happy. And he wants to create that in the society. For that he needs to begin with his family, and that is how he is very happy that the initiative has come successful. Ayer's wife, thank you for making me understand how wrong it is to look down someone because based on wrong prejudices. Sir, these discriminations were all created by man, and he is the one who has to eliminate them. That's the reason I always try to eliminate these disparities. Abdul Kalam, thank you, sir. Thank you, madam, for the sumptuous meal. Ayer's wife, keep visiting, Kalam. Abdul, certainly, madam. Hope this session was useful to you and you could understand how we make an idea or an incident in the form of a skit. We need to have the imagination how we are making that incident into a play or a skit. Hope this session was useful to you. Click the like button if it was useful. Thank you and have a nice day.